I'm going to miss this for a few days. Good morning everybody and welcome to this vlog. So I couldn't sleep last night because I was excited for today, and I might have slept at 1 o'clock and I woke up at 5. So I didn't have that much sleep. Plus it's 6 o'clock right now at the time I'm shooting, and yeah, that's pretty much update about right now. Okay, so our bags have reached the location, so that we don't have to carry it back from our home to Mumbai Central. Oh yes, so we are catching a train from Mumbai Central, and the timing is 11:30. So first we will have to leave from here, from Naigaon to Mumbai Central. So we might leave at 8 o'clock, and yeah, I'm excited for the trip. So yes, I'll just uh, lock everything up and I'll leave my home, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
बहकी सभी जुबां है, हम हैं हजारों में, अभी की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है.
So guys, now we are at Naigaon station and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मुंबई सेंट्रल. But उसके पहले let me introduce to the main character of our upcoming vlogs, Chirayu.
Hi guys.
So yes, he'll be joining us and we'll shoot some amazing stuff that you guys can see on Instagram. So hit the follow button and subscribe bhi kar do. You want to say something?
Like, share and subscribe.
तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.
So guys, let me introduce my cousins.
Sorry.
This is Dhruvi, this is Riddhi, that is Dakshat, and our hero. So let's take our bags and go.
सहनी हमें सजा है, हम हैं बाजारों के, सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.
So guys, finally we have boarded our train. Chirayu.
हम मनाली वाट लगा देंगे वाट.
Okay, so now a quick update. We are at Vadodara station and it's 5:30. Okay, so this is day 1 and we have to spend more 30 hours, more 20 hours in this train, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so special part of my seat, I will show you the best view from my seat. Because we are tired, we haven't slept from yesterday. Good morning, everybody. This is day 2, and we are in Mathur.
My
We
next
are about
station is
next station is Mathura, and this day is going to be the same as yesterday. So I don't think so. I will shoot anything. So let's see. So guys, we just saw a peacock
Cock.
over there. Something. Thumb. So we are at New Delhi station. I hope you can hear because there is a lot of noise. So we are at New Delhi and
a lot of chaos.
more. किती तासात पोहोचू आपण?
More 7 hours.
More 7 hours to go, and then we'll reach Amritsar. So we are about to reach Ludhiana now, and just few hours from Amritsar, and then I'll end this vlog and start a new one on the next day. So yeah. So we have just left Ludhiana, and just few hours to reach Amritsar, and then I'll end this vlog and I will start another vlog tomorrow. Let's see.
हम ऐसी जी छिप छिपाए ऐसी जी हम न पाए ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए हम न आए हम न
So guys, after 32 hours journey, we have finally reached Amritsar station.
है
Okay, so we just reached the hotel and I got fresh. So now we're going to order something and I'm going to end this vlog so that I can start a new vlog tomorrow. So great vlogs are going to come. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe this channel. Bye.
ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए हम न आए हम न आए ऐसी जी